approval of area committees.
Ebirere kanso yo kwinguza embarira y'enyongezo y'omwaka 2021-2022 aho bakansara borikire obuhinza mutima bwa nyuma y'emotoka 5 kubaraho omuringo gw'ebesero gw'ekishobobo.
We want to conclude the issue of these vehicles.
Okurijara aharba kansara motoka ziri kugambaho ezirengere kilomita 2.2 ezi district ya Tungire eri kwehagura aha district ya Kamwenje.
Even among the mentioned vehicles, I understand even Kitagwenda West actually used almost 9 million on one of the vehicles. And the vehicle was grounded there. And we are not getting any report on it. Me, actually, even the chief mechanical engineer can do his assessment when those vehicles are here. The council is a supreme body of the district. We are just budgets and budgets. Let the engineer quote some amount of money that can bring back our vehicles here.
Okureta enshonga ejo mukanso bakansara babire bino kutina ngo zibasa kuba zabuzurweho nuko kutakisa abucuru kukwataho kuzigaruza. Obwate district ya Kitagwenda eriyo merabanamu yo kutunga disomusya bit engineer wa district ni wabira ino bujunanazi bwabo kugarukamu.
There are only 4 vehicles due for boarding off. Number 1, Toyota Hilux LG0025-47. Actually, this one is grounded here at the health center for here. Number 2 is Toyota Hilux UAJ288X. This one is in the garage of our service provider in Kamwenje. Toyota Hilux LG0025-75-47, also in the garage. Another one is an ambulance Maruti Suzuki. I've forgotten the number here. All those vehicles are due for boarding off.
All these details that the engineer, the cow are giving now, why don't they give it in our committees? Why do they keep it secret until we quarrel our heads off?
We found this vehicle, which they are saying that is in good condition, in the garage. When our chairman is moving on foot, I want this council to recommend, if we have no cost, if we have money to pay to that contractor, we bring that vehicle here, then the process of the number plate finds it here.
Embarira ehinguzibwe ne ya miliyoni z'urukwingana runana neza kukwata bintu nko kwirukanzya tawuna kansensya okutungura ebyo mikono okuhunduza amashomero hamwe nebindi. Gashakwa Timose Mushabe.